Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 18. Today, we're going to start with practicing our sounds. Let's see if you can get this whole column without making any mistakes. Get ready. Yes. 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 Great job saying your sounds. Let's see if you can do top to bottom. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Wow, great job, boys and girls. I'm going to say some words and some sounds. First, you're going to say them slowly. Then you're going to say them fast. Listen. Sit. You're going to say sit. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Sit. Listen. E. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. E. Listen. At. Listen again. At. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. At. Let's do that again. Listen. Sit. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Sit. Listen. E. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. E. Listen. At. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. At. Great job saying your word or sound slowly and then saying it fast. Okay, I want you to listen. I'm going to say the word and then I want you to say it fast. Hats. Listen. At. Say it fast. What word? Yes. You see in this picture, this man is wearing lots of hats. What word? Yes, hats. He has on 1, 2, 3, 4 hats on his head. Listen again. Hats. Say it fast. Yes, hats. Great job. First, you're going to say the sound slowly, then you're going to say it fast. Say it slowly. Get ready. Your turn to say it slowly. Get ready. Now say it fast. Yes. Listen. Do you see how I did not stop in between each sound? Your turn. Get ready. Now say it fast. Yes. Good job saying the sound slowly and then saying it fast. We have a lot of sounds here. Let's see if you can get through this whole column without making a mistake. Get ready. Yes. 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 You guys did a fantastic job saying your sounds. I'm so proud of you. My turn. I'll show you how to say these sounds without stopping between the sounds. Listen. Ma. Again, listen. Ma. Your turn. Say the sounds as I touch under them. Don't stop between the sounds. Get ready. Yes. Ma. My turn. Listen. Listen, my turn again. Your turn to say the sounds as I touch under them. But remember, we're not going to stop between the sounds. Get ready. Yes. Let's do this one again. Remember, we're not going to stop between the sounds. Get ready. Ma. Your turn. All right, let's do this one. Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Great job saying the sounds without stopping between the sounds. Okay, let's go through our sounds. First, you're going to do all of the sounds without making a mistake. Then I'll cross them out. Get ready. Yes. 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 Good job. Now let's see if we can go through our sounds again, and I'll cross them out. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. You said Say goodbye. Get ready. Yes. 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 Say goodbye. Our last one. Get ready. Yes. Say goodbye. Wow, everyone, you did a great job at the cross out game. Look, we got to cross out all of our sounds. Let's do the hard say it fast. Listen. First you'll say then you'll say ok. My turn. Rock. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Rock. Your turn. Get ready. Now say it fast. Yes. Rock. Next sound. Listen. See. First you'll say S, then you'll say E. My turn. See. Your turn. Get ready. Your turn again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. See. Good job saying parts of the word slowly and then saying them fast. On today's worksheet, we are going to sound out a word. Listen. Feet. Listen again. Feet. Say it fast. Get ready to do that again. Listen. Feet. Say it fast. Yes, feet. In this picture, do you see this clown? He has huge feet. What does he have? Yes, big feet. Okay, on the bottom portion, we are going to put your finger on the first ball. Remember, go under the sound, and we're going to say the sound. Get ready? Again, get ready? Next sound. Get ready? Again, get ready? Very good. All right, we're going to write the on this portion of our worksheet. Where do you put your pencil? Yes, on the big black dot. You're going to trace the dotted line. Don't forget, you need to trace all of the S on the bottom of this worksheet. Please remember, nice and neat. Try your best to stay on the dotted line. On the back portion of your worksheet, we are going to play the cross it out game. What sound are we going to cross out? Yes. What sound again? Get ready? Yes. So take your pencils and cross out all of the sound. On the bottom, you're going to take your pencil and trace along the dotted line to finish the picture. What did you trace down here? Is that a soccer ball? Yes, I think it is. Very good. Once you are done with the front and back of your worksheet, you may color the pictures. Super job today. You were superstar readers. Way to go, boys and girls.